don't make unknown profiles on FamilySearch. If you haven't seen any of our videos, we're Family History Fanatics. We're a channel that's all about helping you understand your DNA, climb your family tree, and write the stories of your ancestors. We do this through YouTube videos, which you're watching right now, webinars and live streams, and all these fun interactive content, and books if you want to read and learn on your own. Just want to jump into FamilySearch and show you what's getting me so annoyed. So this guy is somebody I'm researching on FamilySearch, and he's got fairly standard name, birth, and things like that. And we do have a lot of sources for him. But here's the problem: is that he has a wife whose name is unknown. No child or anything, just unknown. There is literally no information about this person, and there were actually children added to this unknown person, but I figured out who they were, the parent, who were their parents. But this right here, this annoys me. Please don't do this. Please don't make a profile that's just a placeholder because you don't know the parents. So let's go back to James Searcy to show you what you can do instead of making an unknown profile. What you can do: add child with an unknown mother. This button right here does everything you need the unknown profile to do, except when the child gets moved to their correct parent, as has happened, then the unknown profile isn't, still there. So here's what you do. You click unknown mother, create a profile. Like this. Fake profile, unknown, just with the father, James M. Searcy. Create person. So look, there's Isna. There's no spouse there. It doesn't say unknown, it says no spouse. Click to add spouse. So we can then add this person to, let's say, Ruth B. Willis, this lady up here. Add spouse by ID number. Put that one in. You see? Add match. And boom. The unknown woman, the unknown spouse is gone. Whereas when I move the children from unknown over here to their correct parent, unknown is still here. Unknown has literally no reason to exist, but because it is so hard to delete people on FamilySearch, even if they never existed, it's gonna be a big pain. So, please, don't make unknown profiles. Use add child with an unknown mother, or add child with an unknown father. So yeah, that's all I have to say about this. Don't make unknown profiles, please.